Hear me out. I'm depressed. What up? It's your girl Gavyn here. I know, I've been gone for way too long. It's been a very interesting 2 weeks, but I'm doing better. I'm working through it. I have a therapist. I'll be fine. Don't worry.
Baby girl, are you okay?
So what better way to get through depression than to make fun of myself? First of all, a little bit of housekeeping. How about this new setup, right? I think it's kind of fun. I finally, while working through the things going on with my brain, worked through my house stuff, and I got this wonderful shelf up. It's not done yet. I have some other things I'm going to be putting in there, so it'll be coming up very soon. You'll see some additions. You'll see some changing around. If you like this setup, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let me know, because your girl worked a really long time doing this. I actually have a whole video illustrating how I created this beautiful shelving situation, so keep your eyes out for that. If you want to make sure you don't miss it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I actually think it's on this side. I'm not really sure, but you'll see it. It's a big red button. It's got subscribe on it. Just tap the thing so you can make sure that you don't miss out on all the goodness and become a part of the cousin community, because all of y'all are my cousins. All right? Okay. Now that we've got that done, it is October 1st. I'm actually filming this at midnight on Monday, September 30th. I'm gonna be up all night. It's okay. I don't mind. I'm depressed, so you know I can't sleep anyway. I'm fine. It is officially Halloween season, one of my favorite seasons of the year. I love fall in general, the leaves, all that good stuff. I asked you guys on Instagram for some Makeup Monday Halloween themed suggestions, and you guys came through with a bunch of insane ideas. Every week I'm going to be asking you guys for suggestions and sharing a new makeup tutorial based off of Halloween themes. It might be once a week. I might feel a little fancy and give you one twice a week.
Why the bruh you lying?
So I asked you guys over on Instagram what you wanted to see, and the #1 suggestion last week was mermaid makeup. So I got my laptop. I got a new setup. I wish you guys could see this. There's like a table here now. I was doing some makeshift stuff with some dinner tray things. It was crazy, but I've got my palettes, my laptop, I got my gloss. Look, I'm not gonna have to get up and get stuff anymore. All my brushes are over here. I'm ready. Now, I didn't peek ahead of time. There are a few kind of mermaid makeup tutorials out there that I saw, and one of the most common things that I knew I did need to buy ahead of time are some fishnet stockings. It seems like a bunch of people are using these. They put them on their head and then they do something with the brushes. I'm not too sure, but I have seen like literal thumbnails of people with these on their heads. So I bought one. I don't know why I'm still talking. Let's get into the tutorial. Nope. No, we're not doing that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with a really
just right into it. Okay. Oh, she did do concealer. Okay. I didn't do concealer because I wasn't sure how all of this was gonna work. So I'm gonna do it now.
I'll be applying powder.
I still didn't get translucent powder. You know what? Let me go ahead and just Amazon Prime it. Just give me a second. Okay. And bye.
Single shadow from Milani in the shade Violet. And
okay, so I have this Urban Decay electric palette that I rarely use, and it's got all these fun colors in it. I also have the Jackie Aina palette, which has some purpley colors in it, and I think this Morph one, it does, but it's shimmery. So hers is like a light oh, you know what though? She's a little bit fairer than I am. So I feel like I can get away with, okay, I'm just gonna do this one in the Urban, that one. Ooh, oh, Jesus. Okay. What brush? How do we? Ooh, chill. Okay. All right. Not too much. We know to add in more. We know how to do this. So, okay. It actually looks just kind of like a blush on me. I feel like it's not at. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my God.
What do we do now? Oh, she goes up too. Okay. Like up here. Oh, all the way up her forehead. Oh, okay. So she took it up to the forehead, which I don't have one. Great. She just kind of went up here like this. Right? Just kind of buffs it. Oh, she does really kind of do her whole head there. Okay. I feel like I look like I have a rash.
That's nasty.
And down her neck chins. Great to see you. And this comes down here. I don't want to mess up my eyebrow. Can y'all see how I did my eyebrows? I did pretty good. I should do a tutorial of my own, shouldn't I? Of how I did the browses. My lips are chapped. My God, this is, drink water, kids. Jesus. Ooh, I didn't realize they were this dry. This is not making it better. I'll be back. I gotta go exfoliate my lips. Much better. What's next?
Fully recommend going for the stockings instead. So I'm starting off with a sensitively heeled.
I'm gonna have to do it like how she did it. Scissors. So what I'm gonna do is cut the little top off, and then I'm gonna cut these just down the middle. Cut hot dog style. Okay, so now I should be able to loop. Ho ho! Innovation! On Beyonce. Okay, so she used kind of like a little fluffy something. Oh, this one should work. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pack it in there because it's got some shimmer. I'm gonna use this Shookington color, and she just kind of packed it in. Like into the contour, I'm guessing this is how she did it. That ain't right. We can't move it, so I can't touch that side again. Let's do the other side. Okay, what's that color?
Over the fishnet.
Oh, I have something like that in the other palette. Okay, wait. She's going, sis. Okay, so this is like a turquoisey, shimmery that she's going on over top, and I have this in this palette. It's this one, the last one there. So that looks pretty close to it. I think that'll be fine. And then she did that on top of the other one, right? Jesus be a mermaid. So I'm gonna use this one. It's Trust Issues in the Jackie Aina palette up here. All right. Now's the reveal. I don't hate it. Maybe I was too heavy-handed. Oh my God, it just looks like I have stamps on my face, but it's pretty though. I can do it like this.
Oh Lord.
I think she put a little bit of the blue on there. I'm just, for posterity's sake.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Oh!
Look at this.
I can see. I can. Okay, let's get the other side. I messed that up.
Yeah.
It looks like a mermaid. Slap me in the face. Okay, now what? I'm gonna blend it out then, because that's what she did, so I just don't want to lose those. Okay, that's not bad. Maybe I'll go back over it. That's what I'll do. I'll blend out these little harsh areas. I'm basically just starting over is what's happening. Okay, that's what we're gonna do, because this looks crazy right now. So we're just gonna use what we already have as a template, and I'm gonna go back over it with the colors from before. I'll be back. So that didn't work. I just wanted to do the thing, and maybe I'll just start over. I don't want to though. Okay, so here's what I did. Thank you.
Gross.
Just so you guys can see what exactly I did. I took the purple, I just packed it on right in this corner, and I did drag it down to my eye, and I just blended it out on the edges with the brush, just like blended the edges out. And then I took it a little bit up here at the top, did the same kind of thing. I didn't go all the way down like she did, just because of the shape of my forehead already looks like cray, so I didn't want to make it look more like a horseshoe. Took it all the way to my edges, blend it out a little bit. Then I took the teal kind of color and I put that on the edges and a little bit over top of the purple and both sides on this like inner corner. Kind of like she did, just like she did. I'm committing, you know, like you would want a boyfriend to or something. And then I took the iridescent and I put that in the middle and bam! And I'm just gonna, just a little bit, I'll take some purple and just maybe add it right here. There we go. What's next? Now that we got it, oh, she said she took a little bit of like a shimmer. She just made the colors pop more. And she had like a special kind of thing. I don't really have that. I have nothing. Maybe I'll just go in and define. Oh, this is making me nervous. Define the scales. That's what she did. So I'm picking up and packing it directly onto the teal part.
A few more scales around my chin and my jawline.
Oh, okay. Oh, and then she did her brows. Okay, let me get this chin together. Put it on both chins, sis. Both chins. Oh, we're doing on the eyes now. And into the brow and down the nose. Oh, okay. Yes, nose contour.
Deep purple, and I'm just going to...
Okay, so that was the deep purple. So I'm going to use Shookington because it's what I have. We know how to do this. This ain't new to us. Okay, I see why we have to go under the eyeball. I don't want to, but that's what she does, so. Oh! I'm gonna just use one of these dark brown colors. Just pick a color, sis. It don't matter. We ain't got we don't have what she got. Just pick a dark-ish brown. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I'm going back in
Oh, now with aqua. Oh, Jesus. Okay, like a half cut crease. We just did that, so we know what's good. We know what's good. What you can find right there. I'm gonna just keep it on the lid. Ooh. This is kind of pretty. Oh, and then she took that like iridescent color and put it on the inner corner. I don't know how this is gonna work for me, but we'll just try it. Oh yeah, okay. We under the sea. Oh, and she kind of brought it up just a little bit. Why are there so many steps? It was like, I think she used the iridescent color on her highlight too. So we're just gonna do it. Oh, and then she's just highlighting. I don't have any of those colors, but it's like I left my highlighters over there. Okay, we're gonna just use what's in one of these palettes. Just pick a highlight, sis. Pick a highlight. She said hers was kind of had a little pink in it. I think this is gonna be too pink. What's next?
The inner corners of my eyes.
I don't have that, so we're just gonna skip it because I don't even. It's fine. Just if you want to buy it, just buy it. But I think we're good. This is what I got.
Now this part isn't necessary, but I thought it looked really cute, so I picked up.
We're just gonna skip. Pearls. Those are cute though. But you know what? I would go to the store and buy those pearls to make this look pop. I just didn't watch it ahead of time because I never do. Maybe I'll just do that for the next videos so we don't end up here together with none of the products that the beauty gurus have.
Downwards.
Why are there so many steps? I don't have loose glitter, but I have like a goldish here. So I'm gonna take a little teeny brush and pick up the gold that's in this Jackie Aina palette. And I'm gonna do what she did, which was add these like teardrops. I'll mix it with a little bit of that iridescent. And then if I decide to do this for Halloween for real, I'll go to Michael's and get all the things. Oh, maybe I can use this to do like forehead art. Should I?
I would like to see it.
You know what? I can work with that. And I think she used this on the inner corner. Okay, now I look crazy. I'm just making it worse. Mascara. Is that it? Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I have something like that. Oh, okay, I have Fenty. Fenty's really pretty. And it's kind of like that color. Yes, I think I have a purple one. Yep. This is... Why is the writing so small? Gal on the moon. I can't believe I was able to read that. That's the look. So we're missing lashes. We're missing pearls. But we supplemented with our palettes. I mean, I think I look pretty. I look like a mermaid. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this Makeup Monday, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that I know to keep creating more Makeup Monday content for you guys, even though it's not Monday today. I tried, but depression. Let me know down in the comments below if you have suggestions for some Makeup Monday Halloween themed tutorials that you want me to try. Some of y'all threw some crazy ones over there on Instagram. I would love to see some more comments here, so please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to become a part of the cousin community, we would love to have you. Just hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Happy Halloween, everybody. Hey, a fun fact, I worked on Disney Cruise Line briefly. Can you guess what character I was very good friends with? Her name is